Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is July the 12th to the 18th over at Walgreens. We have a bunch of new deals, including on Wednesday, these friends popped up in my digital coupons folder. They are for next week, a 10 back when you buy 3 feminine care and a 10 back when you spend 40 on P&G paper goods. A lot of us are quite obsessed with the second. Load them right away. I think most accounts should have them. Also, please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, the 12th, probably around 4 a.m. Eastern time. You should have all of the coupons that we're discussing in this video, hopefully. So the first deal we're going to talk about, and we're just going to jump right into it, is this TheraBreath. And I don't know if they made a mistake. A 15 back when you buy 5 of their products, that seems exceptionally high, but it's also 5. But if it is in fact 5, grabbing 5 of the cheapest toothpaste at $6.99, that's $34.95. Now, I know there's been peelies found at various stores, including Walgreens, scanning 5 of them. That might be a tall order for a lot of you. That'll be $24.95, just because some cashiers will be like, 1 coupon per lifetime, you know. If they allow it, it would be $24.95, getting back a $15 register reward. Again, that just seems like exceptionally high. Price point here is $9.95 for the 5 or $1.99 per. This is a very fancy toothpaste, especially if you have gum issues or inflammation. This is the one you want to buy. Check IBOTTA too, in case you might have a rebate for this. They do populate for this one product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster as well. The next is a buy 2 get 1 for free with up to $5 coupon. That has my interest. Now, if your store still might have this display, the bag is going to be free. I know this promotion's been going on for a little bit, but that bag, grab one. So grabbing 3 of these bags at $7.49. Remember, buy 2 get 1 for free. And that cosmetic bag, if you could find one, add one. Subtracting, I think it's going to be a 5 off of 2. You'll pay $9.98 for the 3 bags of makeup wipes, or $3.32 each. And if you can find that bonus makeup bag, I mean, it's fantastic. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but a really great deal for cheap makeup wipes. Next deal we're going to look at is the Celsius that's 3 for $6, and this is actually cheaper than Walmart or Meijer. I know this. There's one apple drink my husband really likes by this company, so I'm always looking for it. Over on IBOTTA, there's 50 cents back per can with a limit of up to 5. We're only grabbing 3 for this, but it's with the savings app IBOTTA. So grabbing 3 of these drinks, it's going to be 6. Subtracting the $1.50 back from IBOTTA, it turns out to be $4.50 for the 3 or $1.50 per can. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay for this. But at $1.50, that is a very cheap price point for Celsius. Moving it along, the disposable razors by Gillette and Venus, and the foams are in fact included, and the shave gels. $5 reward when you spend 15 or more. Now, I know there is a $5 and a $4 digital coupon, grabbing one of the more expensive Gillette men's for $11.99, and then one of the gels for $3.99. It's a double pack, and there's a $4 coupon, I believe. That's $9 off with the $5 and the $4 digital. You'll pay $6.98, and remember, it's BOGO 50% off on the items. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents each. If you're doing the deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend that Walgreens cash to earn a register reward. Small Head and Shoulders that are $7. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon with a $4 reward when you purchase 2 of these. Grabbing 2 of the smalls for $14, subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $11. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per Head and Shoulders. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Confidently say it's probably been more than a month since we've seen a deal this good on Crest or Oral-B brushes. At $3.50 each, we're going to be grabbing 3 of them with the 5 off 3 digital coupon. You'll pay $5.50, get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. We haven't had this deal in a long time because the parent company for this, Crest, Oral-B, P&G, hasn't given us these really high value coupons with the deal at with the $3.50 products. So definitely a week to stock up if that's your favorite, because we haven't had it in a while. Still a great deal to stock up on. The $5 Colgates with the 5 off 2 digital coupon and a $4 reward when you purchase 2. Just jogging through this deal that was there last week, but if you didn't do it, here it is. Grabbing 2 of the Colgates, it's the Sensitive for 10. Subtracting that coupon, you will pay 5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This one, you're going to grab a really nice mix and match of the Tide, Downy, Bounce, these good products with the $1 digital coupon at $4.99 a pop, $5 reward when you purchase 4. Again, grabbing an assortment is $19.96. All of these products have $1 digital coupons. That's why we're grabbing a nice assortment. You will pay $15.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Definitely stock up if you want some of this fancier P&G laundry care. Paper deal of the week goes to the Scott's Comfort Plus at $5. Buy one, get one 50% off with a 2 off a 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these friends, remember BOGO 50% off, that's $7.50. Subtracting the coupon, you're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per bag. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. To stock up for this price point, why not? Again, this is another deal from last week. It's with the Dove body wash in case your scent wasn't in or, you just didn't make it out to the store. Here it is again for you guys. They're $8 each, so 2 of them would be $16. Subtracting that 5 off of 2, you're going to pay $11. Get back an $8 register reward. It makes it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per body wash. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another repeat deal from last week is the $5 Dove shampoo, grabbing 2 of them for $10. We have a 4 off a 2 digital and a $4 reward when you purchase 2, making it really cheap. Again, to jog through this deal one last time, 2 of the shampoos for $10. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per Dove. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Remember, it's really, really smart to always ask the cashier, hey, is the Catalina machine on that prints the register rewards, especially if you're doing a lot of deals. You can listen when another customer is ahead of you. Is it printing, yes or no? And physically, is it printing? You can visually see that or ask. We're going to go through some quick honorable mentions. Another laundry deal that's quite fantastic is the 4 for $10 on this P&G products. That includes Febreze, Tide, Magic Erasers, my favorite, and some of the lower tier laundry care products. But still, $2.50 a pop, not a bad deal. Maybe we'll get some digital coupons for these products. Maybe we won't. But $2.50 is not a bad stock up price. We have a buy one, get one free on the Haagen-Dazs, Eddie's, Nestle's, all these good products. We're supposed to get another heat wave this week, so you might need to grab some of these to cool down. Why not when it's BOGO free? And check Fetch. There might be some rebates for these great items. And 3 for $14.99. I think this is one of the cheaper soda deals this week. If you just buy one of the 12 packs, it's $12. So it is so much cheaper to grab 3 if you love soda. Definitely stock up, especially if you like this. We have a buy one, get 2 for free on the Walgreens food storage bags, making it 93 cents per box. It's typically $2.79 for the first with 2 for free. That's how I'm getting the 93 cents, $2.79 divided by 3. We have the buy one, get 2 for free on the Walgreens trash bags. It's typically the small and the medium, large are not included. It usually shakes these guys out to, I believe, like $1.50 around there, or $1.49-ish around there. So definitely stock up if you like the smaller bags. And the final, because I love paper, I believe this is probably made from the same factory as Charmin. It is the Walgreens 4-count of the soft or strong, and the ultra quilted that looks similarly like a big Bounty, doesn't it, for $1.88. That's it for this video. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.